problem with the disc. The officers mishandled pushing needles. So yes, there were 3 discs that were affected.
Yeah, we have sent someone to the ambulance.
Yeah.
To give us a call.
Yes,
so we got the back so that I can transport him to the hospital.
That's all right.
These are the doctors.
Excuse me, they are not excuse me, but there's excuse me.
Officer.
But it's being attended to by a doctor. No. You must allow the doctors to do their work. Yeah. Allow the doctors to do their work. He has a right. Allow the doctors to do their work. But we are his lawyers. We are here as counsel.
It's okay, Wakili. What's the matter?
Yeah.
You don't know the extent of the injury.
And he had plates. Yeah.
The officers are the ones who are
Yeah, they are the ones who are interfering. And you cannot prevent the doctors from doing their emergency. No, the doctors will advise.
That's fine.
Yeah. That's fine. We got surgery in 2020.
Yes.
If we move him,
That's fine, you don't
this
move.
time we have got something to carry and we take
When we examine
Yes.
the extent of the damage first. No, but it should not be moved.
But you cannot move him, kienyeji.
What when we examine?
He's being examined. Hatuwezi, sisi ni wakili. Mimi kwanza niko hapa in the capacity of counsel and all of these are wakilis. Mimi siwezi toka. Nitatoka aje na sisi ni mawakili wake? He has a right to representation. He has a right to representation. Which officer is saying that he should not be given medication? Hawezi shikwa na askari. No, he needs medication.
Yes, yes. You can. Yes, do that. Do that.
He was in a lot of pain. You give me some painkiller?
Did you get the deposit of 50,000?
He can only be lifted pursuant the doctor's advice.
But the living manages pain.
Yes.
I hope that's for the pain. Daktari. Daktari.
He has a spinal injury. He has a spinal injury.
Nini unahitaji? They need a stretcher.
Yeah. But how are we going to manage it without a stretcher?
Put him on something.
Yeah, on a stretcher. Yeah. Madam, we are dealing. Hiyo maneno ingine ya kesi itafanyika tu. Itafanyika. Na hakuna mahali anatoroka aende. It's an emergency. I think the,
okay.
Yeah.